I hope this shot is focused because... Ooh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Juanita101, back at it again with another video. Today I am back. I'm just kidding. I'm back with another impulsive hair dyeing video. Unfortunately, I never got around to recording my purple hair because I ended up just letting it wash out. I wasn't feeling how it came out on my hair. It was just like not working. But yeah, so now we're gonna try a new color. Just like in my last video, if you watched my revamping a synthetic wig video, I talked about doing like my hair back lavender or green, and the majority picked lavender, of course, and the minority picked green. Okay, anyways, oh, I have a new cat. I just got him. His name is Rex. Here, Rex. He was just about to go eat food. Yep, but this is him. He's so sweet. He has ADHD. He just be all over the place, right? Right? But he lets you do whatever. He don't really care. He's very playful. Yep, I just got him a few days ago. And yeah, this is a new addition. This is actually my cat, so. Okay. My intros are super long, but they're important, so they're gonna be long. So the color I was looking for, Lex's Hair from YouTube, if you guys know her, she did like this green wig color, and I've been like, I am completely obsessed with this color. Like, that's like the perfect green. It's like the Grinch green, the Grouch dumpster nigga from Sesame Street green. Just a cute ass green is really like not a lot of people do. A lot of people are doing lime green or like a super dark green, but that Oscar from the dumpster green or the Grinch green I haven't seen on here. He's playing in his water bowl. I didn't put a lot. I just wanted to see like the shade. This one is Manic Panic, and this one is Forest Green from whatever the fuck brand this is. Tintation. Tintation, that's cute. So I got Venus Envy because the swatches look closest to what this would look like. I got this. I always get a darker shade just in case the color I choose is too vibrant. So I got Venus Envy and Hunter Green from Tintation. This is Manic Panic Venus Envy. This was $11. Why is this $11? Because it's vegan, but Adore's vegan and that shit is $4.50. They're lucky they didn't have that. Yeah, so so this one is the Manic Panic and this one is the Hunter Green. I really like the color of the Manic Panic, but this one I honestly didn't want to buy another $10.99 one when I didn't even know if I was gonna like how bright it was. So I just got this instead. So if it is too bright, I'll just add a little bit of this to the mix. Alright, let's get into this video. If you haven't liked this video, like it. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. What are you doing? We're almost at 600 subscribers, like 593 right now. Almost 600, probably by the time I probably by the time I upload this video, I'll probably be at 600 or over it. So please guys, subscribe, comment, share, like my videos, talk to me in the comments, follow me on social media at VioletUrTurningViolet. Put the @ in the description box. I gotta change that because the only reason why my Instagram name was VioletUrTurningViolet is because my hair was violet lavender. So what should my Instagram name be? I was thinking of Grinch, or I could say Oscar the Grouch, but I feel like those are kind of cheesy. I need something playful. So you got any suggestions, you know, drop them down. What else? Yeah, I'm hoping this is enough for my hair. We're gonna just go with it. I need to stop doing that. We need to just go with it, and we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. I'm gonna take some petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly. We're gonna rub it on my 5 head because we don't got time for color staining. We don't. You got time for color staining? I don't got time for color staining. Alright. I can't find gloves, so my hands are about to be green. Hopefully they don't care at work. Okay. Behind the ears, on the ears. You know. It soaks up extra, and then you just need more in the long run when you could just get your hair wet and more flat, I guess. But everything's just so okay. I'm just gonna shut up. But let's just hope we have enough, basically. I have a clip. I'm taking my brush, and I'm gonna do the worst thing ever, but I'm gonna try to brush my hair. I hate brushing my hair dry. I don't touch my hair dry. Like, unless it's styled, but I don't brush it dry. I don't style, like, I don't do any, like, I just don't dry. I manipulate it while it's wet, is what I'm trying to say. Just go at it, right? Is this even how you do it? Is this even enough? If I have to run to the beauty supply, I'm gonna be tight. My hands are so... Thank God I got called out. I didn't have to work today. Like, they just told me I didn't have to come in, so I was happy about that. Mine is not making money part, but whatever. And the, like, it's coming out bluish. I literally look like, this green looks like, you can't really see here, but it's really pretty. It looks like the picture when the light hits it through. So hopefully when I wash it out, it's more visible. There you go, I'm just gonna let it sit. And then we'll like re-go over it. Doing the majority now for the back part. So I guess I just part my hair in 4s and I apply it. And for the back, since it's the back, I'm still using the Venus NV, but I'm using a lot more of the Hunter Green for the back. And I totally like disregarded brushing my hair in the beginning. I don't know if that was even helpful. So my camera is being rude and it keeps cutting me off. So I don't know what the last clip was, but I'll finagle it when I edit the video. This is my hair so far. I wiped away some of the color, and I can tell that it's gonna be different after I wash it off. Yeah, I'm just sitting here. There's really no rush to wash it out. I was gonna do a part, like another half to the video after I washed out the color of a Bantu knot out, but I kind of like have plans tomorrow, so if that comes out bad, then I'm just like assed out with my hair unless I wear a wig, and I don't want to wear a wig. But I'm gonna practice my Bantu knot out because I definitely want to put up a video. The last time I did a Bantu knot out, which was one time, it failed terribly, and I think because I didn't have enough time to let it dry. So yeah, make sure you like this video if you haven't already. I hope this color comes out good. So yeah, I'm just sitting here. There's really nothing special to this video because I didn't have to lift my hair or anything, and I already have videos on that. So if you guys want to know how I got my hair as blonde as it is, just click on one of my dyeing videos. One where I was dyeing Britney's hair. I dyed my hair the same way, or the orange hair dye video, and it shows me dyeing my hair and lifting my hair. And I even had box dye. So if you're like concerned about box dye on your hair and bleach, you could watch my video. But don't take my video. Like, if your hair melts off, don't blame me. I'm just saying. I just got out the shower, and this is what it's looking like. It looks pretty. It's like a really emerald green. In different lightings, it's different because in the bathroom it looks more green. In here it looks more teal. But it's cute. I feel like a mermaid or whatever. I've had this color before, so I don't feel like I'm super like I don't know. I just seen it before, so it's not like, whoa, I knew what it was gonna look like. Summer, kinda, sorta. This video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, what are you doing? Give this video a fat ass thumbs up. I know it wasn't much, but I just wanted to like tune you guys in. Like, anything I do to my hair that's like record worthy, I'm gonna record it, even if it's not really a tutorial, because like I could teach you without trying, I guess. Learn from my mistakes or learn from my successes. So yeah, have a great day or a night. Be blessed, and I will see you guys in my next video.